Good morning, everyone. My name is Ali Nejat. I'm with FCI. We are a high-performance windows and doors and facade company working in Ontario and British Columbia. Today, I will briefly introduce who we are, what we provide, and how we support premium residential and passive house aligned projects. Our main message is simple. Performance does not come only from the window itself. It comes from the complete opening, the system, fabrication, installation, and connection to the building envelope. Who we are. FCI is a certified fabricator and installer of high-performance architectural aluminum systems, supplier of wood aluminum clad system and installation components. We position ourselves as a one-stop shop. That means we support the project from system selection, supply, custom fabrication, installation, and coordination with the wall assembly. In high-performance buildings, coordination is very important. A window may have excellent test value, but if the installation is weak, the real performance on site will suffer. We bring practical workshop experience and site experience together. This helps architects, builders, owners reduce risk during the execution of the projects. FCI connects the product, the fabrication, and the installation, and the service. What we provide a complete fenestration package that includes aluminum windows, doors, curtain wall solution, sliding system, wood aluminum glass system, and large format glazing. The important point is not only the product list. The value is that we can coordinate this together under one scope. Premium system and installation components. System components available through our partners may support major performance standard and certification pathway, including Passive House, NFRC, C2C requirements, depending on the selected system and project specification. I should mention Reynaers Aluminium, Nortec, CDM, blaugelb, and SIGA. In passive house and high-performance construction, the window is not an isolated product. It is part of the wall assembly. We focus on 5 things: air and water tightness, moisture management, thermal continuity, structural support, and long-term durability. If you have an upcoming project, we would be happy to review it early and help with the product option, budgeting, and technical coordination. Thank you for your attention.